Hi guys, how are you? My name is Dari and you're on my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make fresh looking makeup and I will show every step of this makeup on me. Hope you will enjoy it and use it in your everyday life. So first of all, I will make skin prepping. I have combination type of skin and sometimes it's too dry and needs extra hydro rescue. Recently I came from the gym and took 5 minutes sauna trip. So I will show you my favorite products which I use almost every day. Some of them I bought a long time ago, some of them I bought recently. Let's do it! I will use this Vichy Laboratories Pureté Thermale gel for cleansing and come back again to you. The second step is this Micellar water by SVR Laboratories. I spread it all over my face. Then I use this Shiseido Essential Energy Cream. It's Hydrating Day Cream with SPF 20. Under my eyes, I put this Shiseido Essential Energy Eye Definer. Skin is almost ready. The final step for prepping is MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Longwear. I use it as a prep for the face. Spread it all over my face, including the eyes. And that's it. Now time for foundation. I will use Beiges Chanel Healthy Glow Foundation Hydration and Longwear in B10 tone and put it on my skin. And just a little bit. Okay, the next step is concealer. I will use also Chanel concealer. This is Longwear concealer, also B10 tone. Add one little. Let's. So now it's time for blushes. I use this Dior Backstage palette and I will use this as the blushes. Next I will use this Beiges Chanel Sheer Healthy Glow Highlighting Fluid. So look at this, please. we continue with our eyes, I will use Tom Ford Nude Deep palette. Start from this color. And spread it all over my eyelid. Then I will take this shade, right? Oh, it's too difficult to make it with the mirror far from me, standing far from me. Okay, so to point the inner corners by this color. And into this color. I will also make the outer corner by this color. I forgot to tell you. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I will use this Backstage palette. We'll use this color for making the arrow, and put it on my brush, which is by Manly Pro number 112. So I have already done the eyeshadow eyeliner, and now I will just put the mascara by Shiseido. And now we'll finish with our lips. I will use Charlotte Tilbury liner. This is iconic nude color. We will just put it on our lips. And finally, I put lipstick by MAC. It's Egg Natural color. I will show you. This is also a nude color, and I will apply it over the lip liner. It's matte color. And I will also use another color of lipstick. This is Charlotte Tilbury Very Victoria color. It's rather dark, so I use them both to achieve the color which I want. Okay. Well, this is my final look on the daylight. I prefer such colors to the brighter one because they help me to look younger and to look fresh. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see another makeup on me, please leave a comment below and I will make it especially for you. Bye!